So I'm here, I'm gonna open this beautiful subscription box that I have. Is Mindful Soul subscription. This is a crystal and esoteric items subscriptions that comes every month. I'm gonna open it now because I want to know what's inside, of course. I'm very passionate about it. It's my 7th box and this is what we have inside. First of all, we have a nice sticker. This is a sticker with the lotus flower. It's a hand. We have this affirmation for detachment card. It says, I allow myself to those around me the freedom to be as they are. Very nice. Today the moon is in Aquarius, so it's a nice card for detachment. It's a nice message for me, especially in my solar return. I'm going to be with an ascendant in Taurus and with the moon in the sign of Aquarius, so detachment is connected. Oh my God, look at this beautiful bag. Mindful Souls. I am manifestation. It says, I am manifestation, positivity, and love. I love this bag. It's a bag you can go to the beach, you can go to the gym. I think I'm going to use it to go to Pilates. So we have the baggie. Here we have, this is good. This is an essential oil. This is rooted patchouli. This is rooted patchouli. I love it. Let's see what's inside. It's for harmonizing and grounding. We have it here. I'm going to open it because I need to smell. I love patchouli. I have a lot of things with patchouli. It's so earthy. It's very good. I think Mindful Souls already have the Pure Essential Oil brand, so I'm glad that I get it. I have to use it tonight. Okay, and we have the baggies. I love this part. This is my favorite part because here we have different things that are like a surprise. And here we have, look at this. This looks like malachite. Let me see what it is, because it also comes with this guide which tells you what you get in the bags, but I didn't want to see it. But this is a raw malachite crystal. It's used for transformation and growth, element fire, heart chakra, and it tells you how to use it. And you know, I like malachite. This is a stone you can put in water because in the main components of malachite are copper, and the hardness of malachite is not hard enough to resist water. So how it use it? Put it in the area of your home connected to the side of your life that feels stagnant. Transformation can be not thought, but a better tomorrow awaits on the other side. I love it. This is for the heart chakra. So we have the raw malachite crystal. Let's move to the next one. Let's see. This is a tiger eye. Look at this tiger eye. It's a very pretty and nice size. Okay. Tiger eye, courage and confidence, earth and fire, the elements, and is for the solar plexus. So I think this is a very nice stone. I'm going to intention it very much. I'm gonna clean it. You can use it in water. You can clean it with water. And it says, before going to bed, hold your tiger's eyes and reflect on the events of the day. Consciously let go of any negative thoughts, releasing them into the stone. Tiger eye. Let's see the next one. I already saw what it could be, and I love it. What is this? This is, how nice. I love it. This is a wall piece. It's to hang in the wall. It's a macrame wall piece, amethyst. So this is for change and motivation. And we know that amethyst is a very protective stone as well. It could go next to the bed because amethyst is connected to the third eye and the crown chakras. So they can help us sleep. They can help us and aid us in our dreams. Let's see what it says. Element air, crown and third eye, and let it work as a mindful reminder of your goals by placing it in the living area associated with the habit you wish to change. But I think I'm going to hang it in my bed. on top of my bed. I love it. Looks very nice. So I'm gonna use it there. Besides, we have this one, the last one on the bag. Let's open it. Oops. And here we have, ooh, I see a lot of beads. Ooh, it's matching my outfit. This is Indian agate. you want a necklace too? This is Indian agate. Ooh, how nice. I love it. It's like this. You want to play? You also want some? Look at this. Look at this beauty here. She also wants to have some stones. Oops. Okay. Coming back to the video. This is for clarity and calmness. The element is earth, the sacral chakra, and it says how to use it. Put it on for those situations that make your heart race. But what you need to keep your cool, like big work meetings or special events. Very nice. I love it. I'm gonna use it these days. You also wanted some. Look at this one. Look. You like it? Come here. Vení. She wants to be in the video. Hola, mamiti. Hola. Look at this. Hola. Okay, and meow. Okay, go. And this is the guidance card that comes with this. So at the very end of the card, it has like instructions to use these elements, digging deeper, what detachments look like, and allow people to be, release the illusion of control, learn to walk away. On the other side, it has the ritual to use these items. It talks about a level 2 difficulty ritual. What you need, raw malachite crystal. It gives you the instructions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at the end, it has what's coming next month. For me, it's going to be box number 8. This was box number 7. It's related to what if you could turn your biggest dreams into reality. Imagine bringing your deepest desires to life simply by using the power of your thoughts. This is possible, and we are here to show you how in our upcoming 3-part series, Manifesting Your Dream Life. So, very nice. I love this gift I received. And just like that, Mindful Souls, every month, subscription box. This one is a very nice one. I'm going to put everything back, and I'll see you in the next unboxing. Bye.